we have ViewSonic's new portable monitor. Perfect if you're in the market for a second display, or if you just want to step up your productivity. To set up your display, just follow these simple steps. Let's take a look. Plug your USB-C cable into your USB-C port on your computer. You also have a different option when it comes to connecting your device with your display. This time you're going to need two different cables. Plug a USB-C to Type A cable into your laptop's Type A port, and a mini HDMI to HDMI cable into your portable monitor's port. Now let's take a look at how you can change some of the display settings, which will help you adjust for your specific needs. First, you're going to want to right-click and head to Display Settings. Then you got to make sure that the number 2 monitor is selected. Once that's selected, you can scroll down to Scale and Layout. And this will let you change things like the size of text or apps on the screen. You can also change your display resolution, which will help you if you want to display a higher quality image or a wider image. You can also change your display orientation, which if you're a programmer or photographer, will help you get your work done better. You can control your portable monitor here with the Joy key. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you set up your new portable monitor.
Gaming and entertainment on the go. Meet the new portable gaming monitor, the MAG161V. Stylish and modern, this portable gaming monitor lets you enjoy games at 1080p. Also, while gaming or watching your favorite show, you will benefit from the best viewing angles and lifelike colors. The perfect size of 15.6 inches makes moving your entire gaming setup easier than ever. When packing up your console, you can even put a monitor in the same bag due to its thin and portable design. Unpack, hook up your console, good luck and have fun. Connecting your phone and Nintendo Switch is also effortless, since it's plug and play. Bored doing a long trip in the backseat of a car? Get MAG161V out and enjoy. If you're streaming on the go, the MAG161V makes for a perfect second screen. It's also great for making multitasking as efficient as possible. Mobility finally meets fun. For more information, please go check out the product page, and thanks for watching.
The sidetrack is less than 1.5 pounds. We scrapped any excess metal from the frame and chose to make it out of ultralight aluminum. Then a durable plastic to keep it from straining your laptop hinge while being easy to carry. Speaking of easy to carry, the sidetrack magnetically attaches to your laptop with ultra-secure, device-safe magnetic plates. What can I say? We're easily attached. Regardless of your laptop size, you can mount the sidetrack right in the middle of your laptop. Unique dual sliding tracks allow the sidetrack to extend up to 29 inches. That means you can see the whole screen, even with a 17-inch laptop. Plus, customize your second screen configuration, whether you want to have them closer together, far apart, or 180 degrees. Unlike normal monitors, the sidetrack is powered by your laptop, not a wall plug. You don't need to be stuck in any location. Easily travel with just one cord. The sidetrack is the perfect laptop companion to get the job done, whether you are a student who needs an extra screen to have all the information you need to get that research paper done. How about a traveling salesperson who needs to have that pitch done before final boarding, and then wow the head of the company with their polished presentation? Plus, sidetrack is TSA compliant, so it makes airport travel so easy. And for the numbers guy or gal who has a lot of spreadsheets, you can finally spread out. If you really need to finish up a project and that season finale, the sidetrack is there for that too. Wherever you are, whatever you do, simply attach, slide, and go. Using a second screen saves 2.5 hours of work every single week. Think about how much time and productivity you'll gain. Think about how much better those business trips, coffee shop campouts, and work from home days could be. Welcome to a more productive you. Welcome to Sidetrack.